Hi guys, welcome back to the Small Barn Workshop. Hope you're all well. So, the good news is the 3D printer's back working and I finished all the inserts for this drawer, as well as a little funky handle. In fact, that was the handle that broke the machine. So in this video I thought I'd have a little go with this sled that I've been keeping in a box under this bench for far too long, if I'm honest. And to have a go, I thought I'd create some usable timber from these couple of logs that I've had under the carport for possibly 3 years now. Now, I'm not going to tell you what species this is, I'll let you guess. So I'm going to continue to build this sled up and then fix one of these pieces down and give it a go. Now there's a few ways I could flatten some of these slabs. I could do it as I'm going to do it on that, I could do it by hand if I wanted to, or I could even put it through a sled through the thickness planer. Oh, I think we'll caught a butterfly in the window. Say hello. Go on, out you go. Let's go. This router sled is quite big. It's 620, so it would be 4 foot, 1240 long if I use both pieces. I don't really need to use both for mine because I've only got small pieces. So I'll put these to one side. So I'll just put these together. Then I'm going to use my Triton router. This part comes pre-drilled for lots of different routers. It doesn't actually mention the Triton router though, but I do know my Triton router fits because I did try it. So I'll put it together and screw it to a sacrificial board which I've got over there, which is 2 foot 600 square. Screw it down and then we'll have a go at flattening one of these pieces. Now I haven't actually got a proper flattening router cutter, but I do have a 25mm, so we'll do it with that. And I'm going to do it on this bench purely because I've got the dust extraction here. Got the rig made up, got it fixed down, a couple of bearers just to raise it off the floor enough to let the cutter pass the timber in its high state. So I've got enough to wind the cutter down and eventually create a level top. I've screwed a piece of scrap plywood to the underside of the timber at the edges, short enough screw so it won't collide with the cutter when it's level. Then screw the plywood down to the base so nothing's going to move around. So it's just a case of moving this around and slightly lowering it till I've got a flat surface. I'll have this dust extraction running here. Now the only problem with fixing the router to this, it impedes my pipe. I can try it and see how long it stays in, but it's just wedged in rather than properly plumbed in. So it's just a case of turning both dust extractors on, putting some ear protection on. Okay, so that actually didn't take as long as I thought it would do. I've now got a usable piece of wood for a future project. I will do the other 3 off camera. So again, I'm not going to let you know what the species is. Let me know if you think you know. Quick video this week, guys. Thank you for Banggood as usual for sending me this kit, the Slab Flattening Jig and the taper jig from a previous video. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.